Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to assign the benchmark and grade the constructed response so you have the full results. So you go to trackers, click on the period you want. You scroll all the way to the right to where the unit tests are. And in case you don't have the unit test, you just click add assessment, search community, and look for it that way. And the way that it is titled, you could just search for your grade level like such, ELA 11, look for the benchmark that you need. Okay, but this tracker is already set up. It has all of the assessments, so we don't need to do that. Go to assessments, hover over the title bar, click assess. All of these orange buttons lead to the same place, so you're good to go. This is the code that students will use to access the test in addition to their PowerSchool ID, their lunch ID. And one thing that you have to do differently is you want to manually turn on the tools and accommodations. So let's turn on, I don't really need drop, but I'll turn on flag question, highlight, line reader, notepad, sticky note, strike through. They don't need a calculator. Okay. Copy this test ID. This is what it's going to look like on the student view. They input the test ID. They put their lunch ID. This is student view. That's how they navigate it. They click finish to submit. Let's say you ran out of class time and you want them to spend maybe 30 minutes more the next day. Just click pause and that should save everything. Okay. You don't want to have students. You don't want students to have access outside of class, so you want to shut down this test ID. I like to just do generate new test ID, so they can't use the old one, or you could manually do it from here. Okay, this is how you grade the constructed responses. Okay, when you're ready to grade, you're going to go back to the tracker and you're going to hover over a student. Again, all of these will take you to the same spot, but you'll want to click Launch Performance Grader. As you can see, I've already graded 3 students out of 4. The blue signifies that it needs grading. So I'm going to go straight to the students. Everything that's multiple choice is automatically scored. So you can see all of these have been scored, indicated by the green check mark. The blue NG means needs grading, and these are all the constructed responses. So I'm going to go here, scroll down to where the student response is. There is a simple rubric. You could also use the answer key to see a sample student response, and then you input their score. So let's just say partially correct. And then you go on to the next one. Okay, they knocked it out of the park. We'll give the student 2 here. Nope. And then you'll have the effective expression question. It's a longer essay. And then you have a holistic rubric down here. Let's just say that basic. And then you click score assessment and you close out. Let's refresh this. I missed one. Anyway, so you can see now everything's rated. When you go to the tracker, you'll see the performance bands color coded. There it is. Cool. All right. Email the LIT team if you have any questions. Okay, bye.